vanilla squishy. Hi everybody! I'm doing a little bit of a different video today than I typically do on this channel. Usually you guys will see me doing art stuff and studio vlog stuff, but today I wanted to do something different. So it's September the 16th and we're getting closer to fall, and many of you guys know that I really love fall, and I love Halloween, and I love autumn, and the whole essence of everything that is fall. And so as we're getting close to the fall season, I really wanted to decorate my space, and I thought it would be fun to do a little like tour of my budget fall decorations and kind of show you guys how I'm gonna dress up my space for fall. So pretty much all the pieces in my collection of fall decor right now are from the dollar store, and they're all very cheap, but some of the pieces are actually like really good quality and are probably gonna last me a really long time. So I kind of wanted to show everything off. Some things I think I've thrifted, and I think I've gotten a couple things from other places as well. So I'm just gonna go through it, show you guys what I have, tell you where I got it, and then I'm gonna decorate. Okay, so first off, I have these little gourds, these little, I don't know, do you call them gourds? I don't know what they are. They are ceramic. Here's two of them, and here's the last one. This one's definitely a pumpkin, but is a pumpkin a gourd? I'm not sure. These are the set of 3. I am absolutely in love with the colors and how like handcrafted they look. I got these at the dollar store, and I think, yeah, they were all $2. $2 for each thing, and they're really heavy, and they're definitely gonna last a long time. This one especially called to me because it's like this adorable like mint blue green. These are my first items. I got them at the dollar store last year, and I love them so much, and I don't know where I'm gonna put them up, but I'll find a good spot for them. Next up, I have this little pumpkin. It's similar to the other ones, but this one is lighter. Now that I think about it, I think this one is ceramic and the other ones are clay, but either way, they're all made of like sturdier material than like plastic or something like that. And this one has like this like really pretty like iridescent kind of varnish on it, and I just think it's really cute. This one I also got at the dollar store, and I peeled the label off, but I believe it was also $2. So, and again, I'm Canadian, so $2 Canadian at the dollar store. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys some candle holders that I have. They're both from the dollar store. This is the larger one that I have. It's glass, and it's really cute. I remember my roommates and I last year put a candle in it. I can't remember if we put a fake candle in it, but we had a candle in it, and it looked really festive and cute. I can't remember how much I spent on this one, but I can't imagine it was more than $4 Canadian. And then I have this little mini one as well. And it's glass and metal. Sorry about that. And then I have this little one. You can kind of see by the painting on the front that the quality is not super great. It is glass and metal, so you know, good sturdy materials, but yeah, the painting on the face is a little rough. I remember going through all these and I handpicked one that I liked the best, but I still feel like that's kind of saying something because it's not painted very well, but still super cute and perfect for fall, especially on a budget, because it was like $1.50 or something like that. Next, I have this Halloween, I don't know what you would call this, like a bunting flag. Let me just untangle it for a moment. Okay, let's flip it around. There we go. I don't know if it's all in frame, but it says Halloween. And it's really cute. It's just made on this like thick burlap material. And then there's like some little felt letters on here. It's kind of starting to fall apart, like the felt letters are starting to pop off a little bit, but overall I still think the quality of this is so much better than like the like random paper wall hanging things that you can get at the dollar store. So I'm really happy with it still, and I think it's cute. It's got like nice neutral vibes, and I'm here for that. Also from the dollar store, and it was really cheap. I can't remember the price, but it was really cheap. I have no idea where I'm gonna put this in my room, but we'll find a spot. Next, I will show you guys all my different string lights. I just have to detangle them all. So first up, I have these little pumpkins. These ones you might recognize for a lot of stuff, actually, you might recognize from my studio vlogs around this time last year. But this is what they look like. They're really cute. They're kind of like, they're like painted in like this like metallic orange gold color. And then it's like chipped off in certain places to like get this like cool spotted kind of light look. I really like these ones. I also have these little ghosties. These ones are so cute. Also from the dollar store. They're literally like ping pong balls with little faces on them and then like little bits of mesh on them to make them look like ghosts. They're so cute. I don't have any batteries in here, so I can't show you what it looks like lit up at this moment, but this is what they look like. They're still cute even not lit up, to be honest. But yeah, they're really cute. Also from the dollar store, both of these were like, I don't know, they were really cheap at the dollar store. And then I recently got these from Amazon. Now, keep in mind, these other two from the dollar store were so cheap. Like, I'm thinking no more than $4. But then this, I got these off of Amazon and I don't even want to say how much I paid for these because it's kind of embarrassing. I forgot that I had other pumpkin lights, so I really wanted to buy more pumpkin lights. And I paid a little bit of a ridiculous price for these. I paid $30 Canadian for these lights. And I'm a little ashamed because that was expensive for this. But it's fine. I've committed. It is what it is. I believe these ones are LEDs, so they should not get hot. Although I'm pretty sure those are LEDs too. I don't know. Anyway, so these are the lights. I got these on Amazon, and you know, I think that there's a lesson to be told here. Don't buy your lights on Amazon. Just go to the dollar store because you will get them for much cheaper. Oh, and then I guess these kind of fall under the string light category. I have, I think, 12 of these little pumpkin covers. They're supposed to go on like regular Christmas lights. When I bought these from the thrift store. I think this was one of the first Halloween decorations I ever bought for myself. And when I bought it at the thrift store, it was supposed to come with the lights. And I didn't think to like look in the box or like try them. I just bought it. Granted, it was really cheap, but still, it didn't come with the lights. So I just have these, and I remember I did actually get some use out of them, and I was able to stick them over just a string of regular Christmas lights for a while. So I did get some use out of them. And last year I just kind of put them like this throughout my space. So I probably will do that again this year because I have enough pumpkin string lights now. So I don't know, but these honestly are the cutest ones. Like these, the quality of these, they're so cute. Kind of string lights, not really string lights. Next up I have, oh, I have my fall leaves. These things are kind of like, okay, just don't look at them too closely because you can tell that they're very fake when you look very closely at them. But, and they're kind of starting to fall apart. But if you don't look at them too closely, they just add a really nice pop of like orange and red. And I really like them. They make me happy. So I have 2 of them. They're really cheap again at the dollar store. They feel cheap, they look cheap, they were just cheap. Next up, I have this good fortune sign. I thought it was so cute. It looks like it's just made on, I don't know what you call this. It's like the composite wood, I think. And then it just has like a sticker on it. But it feels pretty durable, and the print, like the quality of this like decal is like really nice. I thought it was cute. Added some like spooky vibes, and it was $2.50. But yeah, I really like how it's like kind of like neutral and it's festive, but like not like too over the top. But yeah, I really like it. And then last but not least, I have my Festive Candles. Both of these were gifts, so I'm not sure where they came from. I mean, candles are kind of expensive, so these ones aren't so cheap, to be honest, I'm sure. But they were gifts, and I always put them out every year, so I wanted to add them to this little Halloween fall decor collection video. I don't know where they came from. Oh, this one's from Bath and Body Works, and this one is also from Bath and Body Works. So this one's pumpkin, sweet cinnamon pumpkin, and then this one is leaves. And I really like them both. They're really cute. They got some cute little fall details on them. Those are all of the items that I will be using to decorate my space. I'm gonna kind of just do that now. I'll probably do like a montage mode of me decorating, and I'll show you the before and then the after, and you guys can let me know what you think. Okay, so I was going to end the video before, but all the things that I was talking about came in the mail early. So they're here now. These are the pillow covers. I got 4 to replace the ones that I have on my bed right now. So I'm gonna swap them out. I'm so excited. Alright, so now it's time for the big reveal. This is what my room looked like before adding any of the decorations. It's still really cozy and cute, but obviously not very festive. And this is after we added all the decorations. I'm obsessed with the pillows. Those were from Shein. They were so cheap. And yeah, everything else is looking really cute, and I'm really so excited. I think everything turned out so good, and I've been working in my studio for a while now with the decorations up, and it just makes me so happy. I love having the little jack-o'-lantern lights on. It just makes me happy. And there you have it. That is my room all decorated. I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you would like more videos like this, more videos that are kind of outside the realm of just art stuff and studio vlog stuff, because I had a lot of fun making this, and I would love to make more just random content as well for you guys. So let me know what you think. I'm sweating now. Of course, as I was decorating, it started getting hotter and hotter and hotter, and now it's 20 something and I'm sweating, so I'm gonna go, but I will see you guys very, very soon. Thanks to everybody who likes this video and for commenting and for all your love and support. I'll see you guys later. Bye!